Hey, welcome to the video. It's your boy TechPro69, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to use Disk Cleanup. Disk Cleanup is a built-in Windows utility that, as the name implies, helps you free up space on your disk by deleting old, unnecessary temporary files. For reference, I got about 37 gigabytes left on my C drive, so let's see what we can do about that. Now, to open up Disk Cleanup, just click the Start menu. I have it pinned right here to my start, but if you type in disk, it will probably be the first thing that pops up, so go ahead and select that. Now, once you open up Disk Cleanup, it should give you a window just like this. Initially, there's not a whole lot you can do. Even if we were to go ahead and select everything, that's only going to get rid of 725 MB, and that's not going to be doing too much. So let's click this button here that says Clean Up System Files. It's going to load for just a minute. All right, now that we clicked Clean Up System Files, you'll notice that there's more options. We can get rid of Windows Update Cleanup and all the update files. We can also get rid of, cache and stuff like that. Yeah, got everything selected, and now we're looking at 5.6 gigabyte. Now we talking. You'll notice there's also another tab here that says More Options. Now, if you click that, it gives you two other options. You got Programs and Features. If you click this, it's just going to take you to the control panel so you can uninstall programs, which is helpful, but that's not really what I'm going to focus on right now. There's another option for System Restore and Shadow Copies. And basically what this will do is it deletes old System Restore points, except for the most recent one. I usually click this and it will pop up with another window. Just click Delete when that pops up. Generally, I would say it's pretty safe to do this because you are saving the most recent restore point, so if anything goes wrong, you can always revert back to that. But let's go back to the Disk Cleanup tab. Alright, apparently I didn't have any restore points because that didn't seem to make a difference here. But now that we got everything selected, we're going to click OK. Another window is going to pop up saying Delete Files, and we just let it load. It usually takes a couple minutes. I have had times where it's taken like 15-20 minutes just because I didn't do a cleanup in a while, but just let it load up. Alright, I cut the video just to save you the time, but let's take a look at our File Explorer now that it's finished. We'll go ahead, click refresh, and look at that, we went from 37 all the way to 42. So, just a quick side note to clear some things up. I realize when you're in this System Restore and Shadow Copies option here, when you click Cleanup, it's going to pop up with another window, but as soon as you click Delete, it's actually going to delete all those extra shadow copies and restore points. Another thing to note is when you're in this list here, sometimes it will show your Downloads folder as an option to be deleted. If you save things in your Downloads folder, just make sure to uncheck it, but just be conscious of what you're selecting so you don't accidentally delete something you need. And yep, that concludes my tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.